Okay, this is the video about beating those annoying questions using the bar model. I say the annoying question because these are all closed question. You don't really use your those creative mathematical thinking. However, practicing these would help you with the algebra. So when you go to high school, this practice might help you. So let's do this. Now I'm going to do this kind of question, right? And a question that involves adding and subtraction, addition and subtraction. So we're going to use bar model. The first thing I need to do, first thing I want you to do is to read the question and tell me what is the question asking. What do you have to find out at the end? Let's quickly pause the video. So it says Nico and Kaya, they're buying their Father's Day card. The card costs $5.90. Nico puts 40 cents more than Kaya. And the question is, we have to find out how much Nico and Kaya spent on this card. So we're going to use Nico and Kaya. We're going to use bar model. Now bar model looks like this. The length of the bar represents the number. So the longer the bar is usually longer the higher the number is. Now Nico puts 40 cents more. So if this is Nico's spending, Nico puts more. So Kaya puts this much. And the difference is 40 cents. That's 40 cents, right? And altogether, that is going to be $5.90. If I add them together, this is $5.90. So when you look at it, if I get rid of 40 cents here, Nico and Kaya will be exactly the same. So if I take away 40 cents, I get this much, right? So if I halve this, I should be able to get how much Kaya spent. Or if I add 40 cents to this amount, and if I halve it, I should be able to get how much Nico spent. So let's try first one, $5.50. I'm going to halve it, which is half of $5, $2.50 and 25 cents. So that's $2.75 is what Kaya spent. Or if I add 40 cents to this, that is $6.30. If I have this, I can find out what Nico spent. Now, this is what bar model can do. You can actually picturize, or you can make the picture of the problem. So this is the first problem. Now, how about this? Again, I'm going to ask you the same question. I'm going to ask you to read this question and tell me what we have to find at the end. So let's quickly pause the video. So it seems like we have to find how long that each rope will be after cutting this rope. So I cut the 48-meter rope into two parts. So we have two ropes, right? And one of them is 8 meters longer than the other. So that's something I have to do first. I have 2 ropes. And one rope's 8 meters longer than the other. So that's 8 meters. This part is 8 meters, right? And altogether it's 48. Can you see the similarity here? Right. I'm going to quickly pause the video, see if you can figure out the length of each rope. So I have 48 meters together. So if I put these ropes together, that's 48 meters, right? If I get rid of this 8 meters, I get these 2 left, and they're exactly the same. So 48, take away 8 equals 40. Therefore, it's 40 meters. This and this together is 40 meters, right? So it's clearly that's 20 meters each. So 40 divided by 2, that's 20 meters. So this is 20 meters, 28. I've got a question for you. You can do this by yourself. Now this is slightly trickier. Again, can you read the question and tell me what we have to find out at the end? So let's quickly do a bar model. So I cut a 30-meter rope into 3 ropes, right? Rope A is 5 meters longer than rope B. B is 2. Ooh, so, and we have to find out each length of each rope. So the longest one's A, then a B, then a C. Okay, so this is the rope A. It's 5 meters longer. That's 5 meters. Then rope B. Okay, that's rope B. And B is 2 meters longer. So this is 5, so I have to make it smaller. 2 meters longer than rope C. So that's rope C. That's rope B. Okay. So, and altogether it's 30 meters. Oh, that's tricky. Is it? So I can clearly see 3 same length there. These 3 are the same. That's 5 meters here. That 2 meters here. So this should be 2. Right. So 30 meters. If I take away 5, then 2, then 2, I should be able to find the length of rope C. Should I quickly pause the video? I'll quickly pause the video, see what you can do. So I have 30 meters. That's the total length of the ropes. I take away 5, then a 2, then 2, so that's 9 altogether. That is 21 meters rope left. So that's this plus this should be 21. So 21 divided by 3, that should be 7. So rope A is 7 plus 2 plus 5, that's 14 meters. That's 14 meters. Rope B should be 9, because 7 plus 2, and rope C is 7. Let's check. If I add 14 plus 9 is 23 plus 7 is 30. That looks good. I'm going to give you a bit of a money problem. Danielle and Natalie has, have $700 altogether in the bank. Danielle has $200 more than Natalie. How much does each girl have? Well, At my school, we have twin sisters called Danielle and Natalie. That's why I use those two names. That's a little fun fact. However, let's quickly pause the video. Let's see if we can draw a bar model using this. How did you go? It's now using money, but seems like we're doing the same thing. Danielle and Natalie have $700 altogether. We have to find how much each girl has, right? So who has more? Danielle has more. This is Danielle. This is what she's got. Natalie has less. Okay, and the difference is $200. And altogether, they have $700. So how did you go? So if I get rid of this 200, they have exactly the same amount of money. So 700, take away 200, that's 500, right? So that's 500. They can share 500. So 500 divided by 2 is 250. Danny has 250. Nat has 250. Oh, extra 200. So Danielle has 450. Natalie has 250. Now, here is your practice problem. This is slightly trickier because we have to buy 6 pens and 6 pencils, right? And it costs $11.40 altogether. But a pen costs 50 cents more than a pencil. The question is, how much is one pencil, right? So this is a pencil. Okay. This is a pencil. And a pen costs $1.50 more. No, sorry, 50 cents more. So pen costs 50 cents more than one pencil. Now we have to buy 6 pens and 6 pencils. Ooh, that is annoying, isn't it? But I can do that. So how about we redraw? This is pencil, right? How much are we going to pay? We're buying 6 of them. So like this. You can go this way, but it'll be a bit annoying, so I went this way. And also, pen is 50 cents more, right? 50 cents more. And we have 6 of them. And altogether, that's $11.40. I'm going to pause the video. How did you go? So I can find out how much the extra bits are. So 50 cents, 50 cents, that's $1. That's another $1. It's another $1. It's $3 here. So if I take away $3 from here, oh my goodness, so that's take away $3, that's $8.40. That's worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pencils. See that? That's exactly the same. This is exactly the same as 12 pencils. So we have to find out What's $8.40 divided by 12? Oh, that's annoying, isn't it? Okay, dividing by 12. There are a lot of things you can do. If you struggle with this, now divided by 12 means I can halve it first, right? So that's $8.40 together altogether. I halve it first, so there's $4.20 here. Then if I halve that again, can I halve that again? Yes, I can. Right, so that's $2.10. This is $2.10. And if I cut this into 3 equal pieces, each of them, that's 12 equal pieces. So $2.10 divided by 3 is 3 7s 21. So it's 70 cents. So that's 70 cents. So each pencil is 70 cents and pen is $1.20, isn't it? This is a bit tricky one because of this part. But hopefully you can. Oops. Sorry. I didn't show you really well, did I? Right. So what I did was $8.40, I halved it first, which is $4.20. Halved it again, so each quarter is $2.10. If I cut into 3 equal pieces, that is going to be 70 cents. That's what I did. But if you can do division, that's not a problem. So this is the last question. Now it's time this time. So I'm going to pause the video, see if you can do this. You may be able to do this easily now. So this is the daytime. This is nighttime. And daytime's 2 hours and 40 minutes longer. So this is 2 hours and 40 minutes. And the only thing it doesn't say is together it should be 24 hours. Right? Now I'll leave this to you. Hopefully bar model can help you to beat those annoying questions. So good luck.